Hello everyone, this is Jex. I'm the Research Training Development Officer of Ideal Visa Consultancy, and today I will be bringing you to my work. So part of my work as RTDO of Ideal Visa is meeting school partners so that we can, of course, meet them, get to know them. But aside from that, it's those meetings and those training and conferences that we get to know more about their school, about their programs, and basically the courses that we can offer to our clients, to those who would like to study abroad.
Hi, currently I'm here at Ideal Visa Manila branch. We're here to meet the representatives of the University of Law to know more about what ULaw is, to know more about the programs that they offer para sa mga Filipino na gustong mag-United Kingdom. So we're very excited and we hope to update you soon about these school and their programs.
Education provider in the entire UK. It's 150-year-old university. When it comes to ULaw is like the... So it's not a happy experience. It's not a happy experience for you guys. It's not a happy experience for the student. And we are the champion product for the country, and that's why we revamped the process. So what happens is, student apply for free.
Quick update, tapos na ang presentation ng University of Law. Ngayon, samahan niyo ako, I'll introduce you to my colleagues and then let's ask them what did they learn.
Hi, what's your name, your branch, and your role in the company?
Okay, my name is Jandal Rosario and I'm the Associate Branch Manager for Ideal Visa Consultancy Manila Branch.
So, ano tingin mo ang pinakamagandang feature ng University of Law?
Yung features po ng University of Law na gustong-gusto ko is yung cashback ng tuition fee nila. Na kapag ikaw is hindi agad na-employed within 9 months na after graduation, is meron silang 50% na cashback for tuition fee and 50% naman ng tuition fee payment pag gusto mo pang mag-take ulit ng another course.
Hi, my name is Luis Santiago, International Client Advisor of Pampanga Branch.
Hello, my name is Nalina Sparaga, one of the International Client Advisor of Pampanga Branch.
Anong tingin yung pinakamagandang part pagdating sa requirements ng University of Law?
Ang maganda dito, no IELTS, no English exam, just present your MOI or the medium of instruction.
Ang maganda lang sa kanya is mababa yung kanyang deposit. You only need 4,000 pounds.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Hi! What's your name, your branch, and your position in the company?
My name is Hazel, one of the International Client Advisor here in Ideal Visa Consultancy Manila office.
And you?
Hi, I'm Prency, one of the International Client Advisor of Ideal Visa Consultancy Manila branch.
Okay. Tingin nyo, ano yung magandang feature ng mga courses ng University of Law kanina?
So for me po, yung sa akin, yung naganda kong program doon is the MBA na 1-year program. So maganda po siya since na meron po silang pasok na 2 to 3 days a week. So depende po sa mga courses na ina-offer din ng University of Law.
See, so that means more opportunities for working while studying,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes. How about you?
Yes, so syempre ang maganda dito for the 1-year studies, pwede kang mag+1 for the practical. Ayun, yun
So,
yung maganda.
yeah, so mas mahaba ang stay sa UK. Thank you. Hi, what's your name? Which branch are you from? And what's your position in the company?
Hello, my name is Sheila and I am from IBC Laguna. I am the Associate Branch Manager of Laguna Branch.
My name is Shai, one of the International Client Advisor from IBC Laguna.
Right. So, kanina nag-discuss tayo about ULaw. Ano tingin yung pinaka-favorite highlight nyo from ULaw?
So for me, it's the compliance interview. Before kasi nung schedule mo for the compliance interview, meron mo ng practice test together with the ULaw officers, no, para naman matulungan nila kayo in answering yung mga questions for the compliance interview. And kapag ikaw ay nakapasa na doon sa compliance interview, that's the time na magsasettle ka na ng iyong initial tuition fee.
Yes, so for me, yung sa ating financial requirement, no? So for our financial requirement, within 28 days lang po na bank documents yung ating kailangan na i-present sa invitation.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Update, we're done for the day. Pauwi na kami ng Laguna. Basically, that's it for our work day. Thank you for joining me. So we're very excited to offer soon the University of Law. If you're someone who wants to study abroad and you think that United Kingdom is a country destination for you, please don't hesitate not to reach out to Ideal Visa Consultancy. We have so many branches all over the Philippines. So reach out to us and we'll be there to assist you. Bye!